Welcome. Info is a Tecno Spark Go, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and select power off. Now when the device turns off, you wanna hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And once the device starts to turn on, you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. So there we go, let's let go of the power button right now. This will take us to the, almost recovery mode. So from here you want to hold your power button, press volume up once, and as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. In here, you will need to utilize your volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, quickly going into the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which does the same thing as the option below that, which is Fast Boot Mode. Both of these will take us to the same Fast Boot Mode. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB, Wipe Data, actually not ADB, SD card, wipe data, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So I'm gonna stick with the first one, first option, confirm it, and this will just boot me back into Android. And as you can see, we are almost back. There we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.